All right, so now we will go ahead and begin the 5-step zoning process for our second supply zone formation, the drop base drop. As usual, we will always start with current price. In step 2, we sequentially move up and left, candle by candle, looking for an explosive drop in price. In step 3, we go through the base isolation technique in order to identify the formation and isolate the base. In step 4, we place the proximal and distal lines. Now recall, for a drop base drop, the distal line will go on the highest wick, either located in the base or the leg out candle. We never use the leg in candle to place the distal line on a drop base drop formation. And then again, the proximal line may either be placed at the lowest wick within the base, or it can be placed at the bottom of the lowest body within the base. However, the preferred method is to use the lowest body in the base. And then finally, we score the formation using the zone structure, odds enhancers, strength, time, and freshness. Now looking at this example that we have here, we can see strength has a move out of at least twice the height of the zone. And then we can also see, based on the placement of this line, that price breaks out beyond the distal line of an opposing demand zone, earning strength 2 points on our scorecard. Now, with the base isolated between these two vertical lines, we can see that we have two basing candles. So in this case, time is going to earn 1 point. And then lastly, we see that price has not returned to the zone, giving us 2 points for freshness and a total 5 out of 5 on our zone structure odds enhancers, and 5 out of 10 for our overall trade probability. Now looking at this example over here on the left, we have the NASDAQ up on a 15-minute chart. Just real quick, again, the 5-step process: you start at current price, moving up and left, looking for an explosive drop in price, which we have here. This leg candle closing beyond the range of the previous candle. Coming to the previous candle, we see it closing within the range of its previous candle. And this candle closes within the range of this candle. This candle extends beyond the range of the base. So this gives us an idea that we have a leg out candle there and a leg in candle here. And this gives us a clear view of our base. All right. So we place our proximal and distal lines here. We have the bottom of the lowest body to place the proximal line, and we have the highest wick that is actually located within the base. Okay. Again, the distal line can be placed at the highest wick if it's located in the base or the leg out candle. Never use a leg in on a drop base drop formation. All right, so now that we have our zone, we can go through the process of scoring the zone. With strength, we can go ahead and draw out our rectangles and place them next to one another to get an idea if price moves out equal to or greater than 2 to 1. And in this particular case, it does not. Okay, so for strength, price would get 0 points for move out. And actually, if we come left, we do see a demand zone here where we have a rally, base, rally formation, which would make this our distal line. And we do not see price breaking through our distal line. In fact, it is a long way off. All right. So in this case, strength would earn 0 points. And if this were a trade we were actually considering, as opposed to using it as an example, we would not continue to score this trade. We would delete the zone and find another formation. All right. So for purposes of example, however, we do see two basing candles. So in this case, time would earn 1 point. However, freshness is looking a little poor. We have the zone penetrated here, 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 and here. So we see that price is actually gone beyond 50% of the zone. So not only does the zone earn 0 points for strength, it would earn 0 points for freshness. So it's definitely a piss poor zone. And we would certainly not want to place a limit order here, because based on our odds enhancers, the chances of any unfilled orders being left at this zone are pretty close to none. All right. So at any rate, that's the process you want to go through. Go ahead and open up your preferred trading platform, practice identifying drop-based drop formations. And then once you have identified a quality drop-based drop formation, go ahead and go through the process of using the zone structure odds enhancers, strength, time, and freshness to score the zone. All right. Hope to see you in the next video.